Hey guys, Sean from Note Cycles. Today we would like to welcome JVC to the Note Cycles family. So we're introducing two brand new JVC models to the Note Cycle lineup. First is the KDX 560BT, which is a mechless unit, which means no CD player, but you get Bluetooth, USB, and auxiliary, as well as a 3.5-inch screen for a backup camera. The KDX 560BT also includes a 2-year warranty. Our next plug-and-play bundle will feature the JVC KDT 92 MBS, which is a CD player featuring Bluetooth hands-free calling and music streaming, a USB, an auxiliary, as well as Sirius XM capability. The 92 MBS also has a 2-year warranty. Also features JVC's exclusive K2 sound technology. Both units will come fully plug and play and ready to install into your 99 to 2013 Harley-Davidson Street Glide or Road Glide. Now both of these JVC head units are marine grade and are all conformally coated, which means they have a coating over the electronics to prevent water intrusion. So if you have any questions on either of our brand new JVC plug-and-play bundles, please visit us at notecycles.com. And as always, have a blast out there.